Hello. I was thinking about what to make an episode about because all these days I'm really busy with doing the skills and this. I'm not filming anything. And then I came home between the dives and Laura said, you know what I found? I found the videos and photos from your Sidemount course. I did my Sidemount course, and also at the same time I did also my Sidemount instructor course 2012. It was pretty funny actually to look at myself struggling with all backward kicking and all this clipping, unclipping. So yeah, and that's what I see actually at the moment when someone else learning Sidemount skills. And it's always really good to look back and understand and remember what you've been struggling with, because then it makes you, that gives you some ideas what to focus on when you teach someone else. It's almost 10 years since I did it, and it feels absolutely different. I would like to start today with some news. Bali is going to be open for 6 nationalities starting October 14. Then finally there is a news coming up that no one really wants to come to Bali. Just no any air company been applying requests or requesting for international flights to Bali. And when you think about that, it's absolutely logical, because we've been changing rules up and down, opening since July, or it was the first time when we were about to open was May, then July, then September. So of course, and another thing is that which nationalities we picked up. This is the nationalities which are been really strict with all the quarantines, and when they will come to Bali they have to stay for 5 days in a quarantine, but when they will go back home they have to stay in a quarantine again. So who will choose or who will travel this way? No way. When I'm looking at Thailand, they're doing a little bit better. First of all, they picked up some nationalities, and when they will go home they don't have to do the quarantine, and when they will arrive to Thailand they also don't have to do the quarantine, just because everyone who arrives by airplane to Thailand doesn't have to do quarantine. And that's the story, right? For us, I mean, personally for me, it doesn't really matter anymore, because 2 months there, 2 months back, it doesn't matter for us at all. So we've been in all this struggle for 20 months, yeah, 20 months, and we kind of used to adapted for it. It feels like we've been always in this situation, and you know, I'm not that person who's, oh hooray, we are open. No, I'm pretty skeptic at the moment already, and I believe that we're gonna open only some March, April, maybe April, May. So we tight our belts, and I'm focusing on this. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna do one beautiful dive at Bunutan beach. It's gonna be a technical dive to 40 meters. Our bottom time is not that long, so it's more like for the training. But anyways, it's gonna be really beautiful dive. See you later. did two beautiful dives today, Bunutan and Amed Wall. Not really looking around. And Amed Wall we saw the eagle ray, but it was pretty far and the visibility became really bad because the cold water started to come up from the depth. So that's why, for example, on the surface, from the surface down to some 30 meters, the visibility was really bad. And when we got under this 30 meters, then the visibility was really good. It's sunset time. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.